Hello, guys. Welcome to Streetwise Economics, where real money meets real insights about building wealth. I am recording this video from Switzerland. Specifically, here we are in Grindelwald. We took a road trip from Zurich, passed through Interlaken, Lucerne. Now we are in Grindelwald, which is in Switzerland. And in this video, I'm going to just share with you some of the key insights that I've learned so far about Switzerland. Along the way, we had a guide who was generous enough to share with us a lot of information about this beautiful country. The first thing that I loved about this country is that they have very great infrastructure. Whether you are looking at their public transport like the trains, we actually passed at the train station in Zurich. It was wonderful. And we're actually going to take another trip to actually see and explore that kind of infrastructure. The bus system is very wonderful. That's something that I also learned. And like I said in the other video, Switzerland, from what I have learned, they actually have four dialects. And people, as our guide was saying, they speak Italian, French, and German and English. And one thing that I also learned is that as we were traveling across, that in this rural part of Switzerland, in this part of Switzerland, there are very few, but also there are some farms, and 8% of the people or the population here in Switzerland, from what I heard with the guide, they are directly depend on agriculture. Most of the people, that means they then rely on other sectors. This city is actually very expensive. You can see even this trip coming here, it cost us almost like 300, my wife and I and our little boy. But also, if you then include the other expenses, it's quite expensive. But I think I'm very happy to pay that price because you see this view, it's insane. This is wonderful. I'm from Canada. We also have beautiful views, but this is also another level. You can see, let me take you guys so that you can also kind of like enjoy these views, right? So this is Grindelwald, and you can see this is in May 2025, and you can see that this view is wonderful. It's wonderful. And those are the uh, farms, but they are also beautiful in the sense that they are well structured. So this is very nice views. Would you guys pay for these views? I am very happy I paid a price to have these views. I'm learning a lot also about money as well. You see, this is around May, and here this is a tourist city in Grindelwald, and some of the hotels I was told, and I could see that some of them they are closed. So it's more like in Canada, in Banff, it's kind of like similar, but this is different in its own way. But there's a very good transport system from here. Along the way, I saw the train that goes through Interlaken, Lucerne, Zurich, back to where we came from. So that's something that I also realized that in terms of tourism, it's actually very easy to move from town to town, even though it's expensive, of course. But you know, I'm happy to pay to watch these views. Now, in terms of the other content, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out insights that I share about the trip, other insights. We have other exciting updates that are lined up for the rest of the days, that the time that we are here in Switzerland. But also, I'm gonna be traveling around the world, right? Bringing these insights to you, what I learn. And the interesting thing is, like, as a trader, I can trade from anywhere, right? As long as I have access to internet. I mostly trade in the US and Canadian markets. Just this week alone, I had a very profitable week, and I share those insights on my channel here, and you can watch those updates and also learn some insights from that. I hope you find this video very interesting. If you find it helpful, insightful, hit the like and subscribe button so that this video will go viral. Thank you so much. And like I always like to say, trade and invest wisely. Isaac signing out from Zurich.